Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to calculate the EMI in less than a minute. So using your phone or the laptop search software Sutra. So I've also included the link in the description. You can go and check. Please click on that software. So you'll redirect to this website, and you'll find a try our app section here. Please click on that. So it will redirect to this page and you will get a EMI calculator option here. Please press open, then it will take you here. And you'll find a loan amount. So enter your loan amount you're looking to calculate EMI. See, for example, I'm looking for 1 lakh, and the interest rate I'm calculating is for 15%, and for the loan tenure, if you are calculating for the months, please click months, and if you are calculating for years, click years. I'm calculating for years, so for 2 years, and the EMI is, you can find 4,849 is the EMI. The loan principal amount, the total interest, how much is payable, and EMI plus principal amount, and the expected payoff date is this month. You can change the payoff here, like I have included 2026. You can put whichever the year you are looking for, and the monthly EMI is this. And we have one more option in this calculator. You can find eligibility, you can explore when you have time, and one more, the main thing is compare. For example, like the same loan, I'm entering the amount. Example, like you have taken, like you're searching from the two banks. So one bank is giving you 1 lakh for 5%, and another bank is giving you for the 7%. And the years, the left bank is giving you around 5 years, means they are giving you for maybe 7 years. Then it will let you compare both the options. You can also check this. So this is how you can calculate your EMI using your phone in less than a minute. And we have also have the another option. So this is our website software Sutra, where you can always come. So our main goal is to put 100 plus free tools that people can be used in everyday life. So the people will be visiting to the other websites for multiple websites for having the different operations. Our goal is to put everything into one software where you can use it for completely free and access multiple software. You can also explore the other things. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this helpful, please share this video to your friends too. Thank you.